So we've already talked about how to solve a system by graphing. Another way that you can solve a system of equations is by using something called substitution. So to substitute just means to put something in place of something else, right? Something that has the same value or same capabilities. So here's how we do this. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these equations and I'm going to isolate a variable. It doesn't matter which one, as long as you answer the question at the very end. So I'm going to use this one here, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that equation so that y is by itself. Why did I choose y? Well, y doesn't have a coefficient next to it, so I'll have to do less steps. So if I want to get y by itself, I would add 2x to both sides. Those are not like terms, so I need to write it like this. Y equals 2x plus 4. Okay, so this is the same as this. We just wrote it in a different way. So now we have this equation and we have our other original equation, which I'm going to write here. Y plus x equals negative 5. So here's the substitution part. What we know right now is that y is the same thing as 2x plus 4, right? They're equal. That's what equals means. These are the same thing. So that means that over here, instead of writing y, I can write 2x plus 4 because they are the same thing. So I'm going to rewrite this equation. Instead of writing y, 2x plus 4, there it is. And now I'm going to write the rest of my equation. Plus x equals negative 5. What have we done here? Well, we made an equation that just has one variable. We know how to solve this. So first, let's combine like terms. Positive 2x, positive x. We have 3x's now, plus 4 equals negative 5. Gonna keep going. I'm trying to isolate x, right? So I'm gonna subtract 4 from both sides. We have 3x equals negative 9. Okay, so I'm gonna divide both sides by 3. Done this lots and lots. And x equals negative 9 divided by positive 3 is negative 3. We found x. That's awesome. All right. Now, remember, when we're finding a solution to an equation or a system of equations, we're finding a coordinate point. So we have our x. We need our y. How could we find our y? Well, we know that y is equal to 2 times x plus 4. So y equals 2 times, hey, we know what x is. It's negative 3. So 2 times negative 3 plus 4. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So we have y equals negative 6 plus 4. And I'm imagining my number line, negative 6 plus 4, y equals negative 2. So my y would be here, negative 2. Delightful. Awesome. So this right here is where these two lines would intersect. This right here, if you plugged it into those equations, it would make these equations true. You have found your solution.